So let us summarize today's session. Today's short session was more about ways to share and publish your dashboard, and we saw how to share the files, we saw how to share the workspace, we saw how to share the dashboards, we saw how to make content packs and share, we saw how to make a Power BI app earlier which can be shared, and then we can share the content with the external commercial users and not casual users having a commercial email ID. There is another way of sharing your content is by enabling an embed feature in your website or your SharePoint. And also you can circulate the PDFs and PowerPoint. At the same time, we also saw how to schedule a refresh once you have the gateway in place, which we are going to learn in the next session. And how to enable the notification, the push notification as well as the pull notification from Power BI service. Overall, we've understood the process of moving the content from your local desktop onto the Power BI cloud and getting its services either by pull or push mechanism. Thank you.